Guten Abend, meine Damen und Herren. In 1933, Indiana got hit with one of the worst heat waves in its history. In 2023, that heat record was broken. In 2024, that record was broken again. That's twice in 2 years. That does not look good for us. So, when the outside heats up, so does my house. So, what I'm going to be doing today is I'm going to be installing a ceiling fan. No Erklog mit Max segment this time. I think it kind of speaks for itself. So, I don't think I'm missing anything, so on to my room. So I have everything prepared here. I've had it in here for like I don't know, a good while now. That is what we're going to be replacing. We're going to be replacing that with that. Oh, wait, hold on. Forgot to take these out. Alright. Ah! Holy crap, it survived! That light bulb is... Okay. Oh my gosh. Oh, you gotta see that. That light bulb is in one piece. I don't know if you can see that. I'll have to review the footage, but still, that light bulb fell like, I don't know, 12 feet. Oh wait, hold on. Oh, this is kind of dangerous. Forgot to turn off the electricity in my room. It's probably 16. Yes. Okay, now the real test is to see if I can still plug my phone in. Oh crap, it wasn't 16, it was 15 the whole time. Test number 2, and aha. Okay, and now back to this nonsense. No, I should probably move that. Yeah. Okay. And wait, what the heck? Is there insulation in here or something? I sure hope not. Because it's gonna fall all over my room. Ah, there is. Okay then. Okay. That light fixture is removed. And now, so it turns out I've got to screw this bracket in with the screws that I got rid of. Well, I might not be the sharpest marble in the drawer, but you know, I have to go grab that other screw. Because I'm an idiot who doesn't know how to install things. I never looked up anything on this. Or I'm gonna have to look up the wiring diagram to put this together. But other than that, which I haven't even looked up yet, I haven't looked up anything for this yet. Yeah. Okay, what happened to that screw? Okay, so, I have the bracket in place. That took me a while. Yes, it did.
But little did he know, that was the easy part.
Anyway, so, now I just gotta deal with that.
Yes, you do.
Okay, now I'm going to flash my wiring diagram that I'm using on screen, and then I copied it to get this. I mean, it's not bad. It does the job for right now.
Hello, just little old me stopping in again to remind you, you don't want to watch that for 7 minutes. I mean, it took me like, I don't know, how much did I cut out of the video? I don't know, I'm not gonna show it in the editing. Anyway, yeah, the point is, you don't want to watch that. It's finally done, ladies and gentlemen. I'm not gonna bother with that. I have everything not the way it should be. I need to put electrical tape on the wire nuts, but that was a very grueling process, and it was terrible. It was terrible the whole way. Yes, it was. Anyway, so I'm gonna turn this thing on and see if it catches on fire. And now we are in the final stages, ladies and gentlemen. The final test. Okay, we have power to my room. And now, let's see what happens when I... It works! Gentlemen, it is nighttime now. And after a whole bunch of failures and electrical problems, I have it working very well now. It's beautiful, isn't it? Well, anyway, well, IRL me, or whatever they're called nowadays, couldn't figure out how to end this video, so I'm just gonna tell you to do the standard, leave a hate comment, unsubscribe, and smash that dislike button. Thanks for watching.